Hello everyone, I'm Hui-Wen Hsiao in National Changhua University of Education, Graduate Institute of Human Resources Management in Taiwan. It's my pleasure to be here to introduce our research to all of you. The research I'm going to introduce today is the impact of hiring training program and effectiveness evaluation on the turnover rate of newcomers. Taking manufacturing company T as an example. This is the content of our presentation. The first part is introduction. In this part, we will show you the reason why we want to get into the research. Second, introduction of the research. We will have a short description about the study. The third and the fourth part is the challenge the company faced and several solutions. The last is conclusion and discussion. The reason why we want to get into this topic is because newcomers resigning at such short notice will increase the cost of recruitment and training for the organization. It will also reduce team cohesion and increase the workload of other employees in the department or in the organization. Therefore, it is necessary to understand the reasons why a newcomer quits and what a company system or programs should be improved to increase the retention rate. So we took a study, and this study takes the newcomers of an automobile manufacturing company as the research object. And we will code the automobile manufacturing company as Company T for the following introduction. The challenges Company T faced is that newcomers in a certain department usually resign at such short notice during the last year, with perfunctory reasons on the resignation questionnaire surveys, which lead to the increase of other employees' workload, such as HR, such as supervisors, and other employees in that department. And the cost of recruitment increased as well. According to more in-depth resignation questionnaire surveys and the interviews, we found that the main reasons for the resignation of some newcomers in Company T were the attitude and teaching method of the newcomers' counselors, which made newcomers feel great pressure. Newcomers' counselors are also employees in the organization. They need to help newcomers in the same department to adapt to the company and work. But there are no training programs for the counselors. They can only teach and help the newcomers by themselves, as long as they are assigned to be counselors. Furthermore, they also need to teach newcomers while they work, which lead to pressure on each other. After discussing with HR in Company T, we found that it is a big problem for that department. Thus, we proposed the following solutions and management approaches. First, the company could offer training programs to the counselors and evaluate the effectiveness of the programs to ensure that counselors know how to assist new employees. By offering training programs to the counselors, they can know more about how to give newcomers a helping hand. That help is a good way for newcomers to be more familiar with the organization earlier. Here's the training program structure. The training hours can be 3. During the 3 hours, counselors can comprehend the main point about the newcomers training program. They can learn ways to help the newcomers and ask for assistance. What's more, communication skills, teamwork skills, and the sense of mutual benefits courses are concluded as well. Second, HR could classify the reasons for resignation in more detail in the resignation questionnaire, such as offering a description blank behind each type of resignation reason. And HR could conduct a more in-depth reason exploration during the resignation interview, so that HR can know how to improve the system or assist both newcomers and their counselors. Here's our resignation application sample. Let's focus on the reason for leaving blank. The reason can be separated into personal, management, and so on. A description blank can be added behind the reason so that HR can know more about the reasons for quitting, which may also be beneficial to the following resignation interview. Third, the company could provide relief stress methods and an online feedback platform for newcomers and counselors to relieve stress and express their opinions. Through the online feedback platform, problems that happen during work time may be solved much faster than they used to be. Moreover, there are chances for newcomers and counselors to know the opinions of each other. This will reduce the misunderstanding and know each other better. Here's a sample of the online feedback platform. Newcomers and counselors can exchange their opinions through the platform. Newcomers may share their feelings and problems they faced here. Counselors would receive feedback or questions written by the newcomers. They would respond instantly so that the problem could be solved faster. Besides, if they get good use of this platform, they can even both practice listening and self-reflection skills from here. Fourth, newcomers need to fill out the counselor's satisfaction questionnaires. Counselors who get high score on satisfaction questionnaires can receive rewards, such as salary increases or credit. In summary, these solutions may help Company T to solve the problem of newcomers resigning caused by the counselors and reduce the cost of re-recruitment and training. These solutions may also be helpful to organizations with counselors, since they can meet the demand of both counselors and newcomers effectively. The counselors' training courses may also be a way to promote the image of the company and even improve the competitiveness of enterprises. This is the end of our research presentation. Here are our references. Thank you for your listening.